What is up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Andito tayo ngayon sa... one more take, wait. Andito tayo ngayon sa Batangas Racing Circuit. And as you can see, yan, may mga nagdadrive sa likod. Like this Civic. Yan. So we're here right now with our friends. And Project GR Yaris is of course here. Dala ko siya. Ayan siya. Yan. So, what's new with Project GR Yaris? Well, may maingay. Grabe. Yan. So, Project GR Yaris is here. Hello, Cherub.
Hello, hello. I like your wheels.
Thank you, thank you.
I want your wheels.
Kevin brought his, Corolla. This just shows that you guys can, track any car. Kahit bone stock, ganun. Pwede yan, pwede yan. Nasa driver yan, wala sa kotse.
Kita mo to manual.
Ha?
2ZZ yan.
Manual to? Oo nga, no? Manuel! Manuel! Pwedeng family car, so family truck day. Ayan, no? Seryoso ba? 2ZZ yan?
1.6 so. Bakit pwede namang down badge good boy.
Lodi, oh.
Oh, Lodi. Follow nyo guys si Oryx sa YouTube niya.
Follow nyo rin si Franz.
May vlog siya for...
Follow nyo na siya eh. Mas sikat siya sa akin.
Oh. Hindi anong masikat? Sa totoo lang guys, alam mo, hindi ko naman talaga kailangan mag-vlog ngayon kasi si Oryx nagvo-vlog din. So kung ano yung vlog niya, yun na rin yung i-vlog ko ngayon.
Pare-pares tayo ng content, pare.
The fastest Supra in the Philippines is here, si Tots. You guys should see Tots, like, when he drives on track. Oh, ito nga pala! Si Mr. SRS! Ay, wag ka lang umalis! Wag ka umalis! Dito ka lang! Dito ka lang! Yan. So sila yung dynamic duo dito. The legend.
Bye-bye!
Bang! Yan. So wait lang. Andito yung GR Yaris ni Oryx. Napakita na natin yan before sa last hotdog truck day natin. And then ito yung GR Yaris ni CM Drives. Tama, di ba? CM Drives? Walang dot? cmdrives.ph. Ayan. Full varis. Tsaka ang maganda dito guys, tinatrack siya. As in, hindi to bine-baby at all. Ayan. Inventory. 12,000 plus?
Racing Hatsune Miku.
Ano yan? Racing?
Makakuha ko sa tas.
Ah,
diba?
galing Japan ha? JDM.
Ang tawag dito, Weeb Racing. Goods.
Weeb Racing.
Weeb Racing.
So there's a really clean Civic na FE ata yung tawag nila dito. Yan ang linis oh. It's lowered, tapos simple lang. Parang CE28 ba yan? Oh, ganda. Nasa track din. Shout out to Mr. Patina. Patina ba o Patina?
Patina makina.
Patina makina.
Aba, may struts pa to. Si Yabang wala ng
Ha?
stick.
Kailangan kasi mainit yung stick eh. Weird kasi you have to slam it. Oy, grabe naman. Don't break my car. Isa pa. You can do it. You can do
do
it.
it like a Porsche.
No. Angat mo, angat. And then you slam it.
As in just...
No. You have to put your hand on top of the hood. Yan, slam it. Yan. So thank you in advance for the photos. Okay.
Even not stored it.
Driven not stored pala guys. Driven not stored. Yan. So, yan si Ivan.
Si Ivan, ayaw ginagawa. Ay. Oh, di ba?
So, punong-puno yung track day natin today with lots of cars, lots of people. But the best part is all of these people are our friends and they are all here. So, enjoy lang tayo for the rest of the day. So ito guys yung new ride ni Carspiration. Follow niyo siya guys, may YouTube channel si Jiggy. It's called Carspiration. Ayan, this is his new TT. Congratulations on your silver TT, bro.
Thank you.
Ayan, enjoy it, enjoy it. Parang sobrang bihira na lang guys makakita ng TT, no? Yung silver na ganun. Sorry guys, I know that the vlog is magulo and kalat. Pero ito na, I'll fix the vlog. So here is Project GR Yaris, and what's new? Since the last time na dinala natin siya sa truck, well, stock suspension pa yun. Ngayon, naka-lowering springs na. Naka-camber na rin tayo sa harap tsaka sa likod. So, medyo nakahiga na yung tire, front and back. So, in order for me to be... Ay, okay lang. Yeah, in order for me to show you guys around the truck, may ginawa ako ditong makeshift GoPro mount. Pero hindi GoPro gamit ko eh. Yung gamit ko kasi itong camera na hawak ko. Yan, I have a tripod over there. And if you're wondering saan siya nakamount siya dun sa dulo. Yan. Both legs are there. And then, the other leg is here. So I'll be mounting my camera there in a while. And then I'll take you guys along with me to BRC. So I hope guys na okay kayo dyan. And sana hindi gumalaw yung tripod. We just did a 159 with traffic. Kala ko 159, hindi pala. 155. My God, guys, I'm so happy. Finally, we got a time. My first time to actually do a full lap around BRC. 155 with the GR Yaris. So I'm very, very happy. Look at this silver TT.
Di tayo maubusan sa titi na to.
Dude, the TT jokes will never, ever run out. It will not.
Gusto ko lang pakita sa vlog kung ano yung pagkain.
Show it to YouTube.
Nako,
Ate Dolores'
naka-plastic eh.
finest.
Ate Dolores, finest. Adobo.
A few moments later.
Let's go guys, last chance to improve our time. From 155, sana we can go lower. Let's go. Oh man. Park pa sa likod. Get out of the way! Let's do another one. Oh, traffic. I was pretty confident that we were gonna break the 155 in both of those instances. Pero that just tells us na kailangan natin bumalik sa track dito sa BRC next time. And so dyan nagtatapos ang ating vlog. The 155 was a good accomplishment given the first time natin mag full lap sa BRC, and that matagal na tayo hindi nagda-drive. But yeah, I'm happy and I hope to be back next time kasi feeling ko talaga this car is able to do 152 or 153, maybe even faster. So let's see, hopefully we become faster. And balita ko may toge battle na raw na mangyayari, so who knows, baka we might be back racing. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed. So I'll see you guys next time.